Hello, good evening. This is our presentation for proposed coffee bean inventory management system. Uh, I am Nasr Isaac B. Rojas and together with Vince Paulo Nuevo and John Lloyd Sinag. Next, the overview. The proposed coffee bean inventory system brings a modern touch to how a small Batangas coffee shop manages its unique Barako beans. Instead of relying on manual notes or guesswork, the system gives the owner and staff an easier way to track bean stocks, handle orders, and record daily sales. It doesn't just organize data, it helps the shop stay consistent, efficient, and ready for every customer craving. By automating routine tasks, it allows the team to focus more on quality service and less on paperwork, making coffee management as smooth as their best brew. Next. Uh, Explanation of the class diagram components. The class diagram of the Coffee Bean inventory system. Yan. Ang first is user. Ang user ay ang pinaka base class or parent class. Kumbaga dito nakalagay ang mga lahat ng information tulad ng pangalan, username at password. Ito rin ang may hawak ng mga main function tulad ng login at logout para masiguro ang ligtas na pag-access ng system ng parehong owner at staff. Dahil may parent class, mas madali ang pamahala ng mga user at hindi na kailangan ulitin ng parehong code sa ibang klase. Second is owner. Ayan, isa siyang child class. Ito naman is yung nag-inherit or yung nagmamana mula sa user class. Kaya meron din tayong login credential. Pero may karagdagang task or tungkulin na kaya niyang tingnan ang mga ulat or reports, subaybayan ng mga sales at makatanggap ng notif kapag mababa ng stock. Ito ang kumakatuan sa may-ari ng negosyo na nakatuon sa pangkalahatang pamamahala at sa mga decision. And third is staff. Isa rin siyang child class. Nakatuon ito sa mga gawain sa pang-araw-araw na operasyon. Sila ang nag-aasikaso ng mga order ng customer and nag-update din ng stock at nag-check ng inventory status. Mahalaga din ang papel nitong staff kasi silang nagpapanatili kung tama at napapanood ng mga dates ng benta at ng inventory. Next. Nakamute ka.
Ang number 4 po ay coffee bean. Nire-represent po nito yung iba't ibang type ng coffee bean para matrack ng system yung mga sales. Number 5, inventory. Ito naman pong inventory ay parang core ng system. Siya po yung nagmamanage ng overall stock. Tas number 6, order. Naman po yung nag-handle ng customer transactions. Nakalink po siya sa staff at coffee bean para po ma-record yung mga sales. Tas number 7, supplier. Ine-ensure po na yung mga beans ay pwede i-restock kapag low na po yung mga supplies. So, ito naman po yung discussion of relationships. So, yung user class po ay parang parent class. Tapos, ang subclass naman po yung owner and staff. Nag-inherit po sila because they share traits pero magkaiba po sila ng roles. Number 2, inventory. Aggregation ng inventory at coffee bean. The inventory class aggregates coffee bean, meaning the inventory stores and manages multiple types of beans. If a bean is removed, the inventory still exists, showing that has a relationship rather than full dependency. Number 3, composition naman po, yung sa order and coffee bean. The order class is composed of one or more coffee bean items. Kung wala po yung order, mawawalan po ng purpose yung bean na nakalista. This relationship shows that an order cannot exist without its bean items. Um, Number 4. Suppliers are connected to the beans they provide. This represents a business relationship. Suppliers deliver specific coffee beans to restock inventory. Tas 5, association po ng owner and inventory sale. The owner is associated with inventory and sale because they monitor stock levels and review sales reports. This connection helps the owner make informed business decisions. 6, association pa rin po ng staff and inventory order. The staff class is linked with inventory and order since staff are responsible for updating stock levels and processing customer orders. This ensures smooth daily operations.
Okay, thank you, Dave. So, sa justification, the design of the coffee bean inventory system effectively supports all major system functions by clearly defining each class roles and relationships. The user, owner, and staff hierarchy ensures proper access control. All owners oversee reports while staff handle daily operations. The inventory and coffee bean process work together to maintain in an accurate stock levels, while order and supplier classes streamline the sales and restocking. These relationships enable smooth coordination between stock management, order processing, and supplier transactions. Overall, the design provides a logical structure that mirrors real-world workflows, ensuring efficiency, accuracy, and easy maintenance of the entire inventory process. So, sa una po, yung sa design of coffee inventory system na bakit nga ba effectively nasusupport niya yung mga major system functions dahil sa pagde-define ng class role at relationship. Dahil ang yung sa structure ng system ay organized siya. Tapos yung bawat class na may yung mga bawat class may mga sila specific purpose tapos yung mga connections na nakalagay ay malinaw. Para lahat nung mapasigurado nating yung mga functions nila gagana ng smooth. Tapos yung sa user owner naman at yung staff hierarchy. Bakit nga ba na-ensure nila na yung proper access control pati yung na-oversee yung reports habang yung staff ay nag-handle ng daily operation. Kasi yung class hierarchy, binubukod yung responsibilities. Yung owners, meron silang mas mataas na privileges para dun sa pagmo-monitoring. Tapos yung staff naman, yung focus lang nila ay yung pagmamanage yung yung mga inventory task. Tapos sunod naman is yung inventory at yung coffee bean classes. Paano nga ba nag-work together yun para ma-maintain yung accurate stock levels? Kasi yung classes dito, nagko-collaborate para matrack and update yung number ng types of coffee beans na magiging available in real time. So sa pang-apat naman po is order and supplier classes, streamlines case and restocking. Ang system namin ay gumamit ng classes na to para yung pagbili ng supply processes ay mas efficient. Nakalink sa customer orders, tapos merong supplier deliveries. Bakit nga ba yung mga relationship na enables smooth coordination between stock management, order processing, and supplier transaction? Dahil yung interaction ng mga classes, parang na siya, guarantee na yung inventory sales at yung supplies ay synchronized para hindi para maiwasan yung error o kaya yung mga pagde-delay. Kaya naman yung design din, kaya nagpo-provide siya ng logical structure na parang na-apply yung real world workflows, pati yung na make sure yung efficiency, accuracy, and yung maintenance ay nandoon. Dahil yung setup ng system, mas ano siya, parang nagre-reflect siya kung paano nag-ooperate yung isang business. Kaya nagiging mas practical yung system na yun, tapos reliable at pati simple to update o kaya naman maintain. So, next na po. Reflection. Through designing the coffee bean inventory system, we learn how object-oriented principles bring real-world processes into digital structure. So, natutunan po namin dito na yung object-oriented principles ay nakakapag-bring ng mga real-world applications po nung Tapos pwede po siyang i-apply sa digital. Yung paggagawa naman po ng classes at yung relationship na natutunan po namin na importance ng pagpa-plan po nung paano yung pag-interact ng mga bawat component para siya ay maging efficient and reliable. Napagtanto rin namin na yung good design ay hindi lang basta coding. Dapat gets or talagang naiintindihan yung workflow nung business, yung talagang paano sila nagraran. Tapos ta-translate yon sa logical at yung connected system. Tapos tong activity na to, nahasa po yung skills po namin sa problem solving, yung pag-analysis po ng sa system, kung ano po yung pwedeng maging butas po ng system, at iba pa. Tapos yung sa design thinking din po. Kaya dahil po na natutunan namin yun, kasi po kailangan po siya sa pagde-develop po ng practical at yung well-organized system po. So, yun lang po yung aking part po.